Welcome to our hotel room tour. So I've just come through the front door and this is the view you get. We are staying in a pirate themed theme park view. So the first thing you see off to the right hand side is the kids room. So this is where Sam will be sleeping, and you've got a bunk bed and there's a pull out bed there in the bottom. Quite a nice size room actually. There is a TV and a little game there. You can change the blocks, make different characters. A little stowaway down there. Looks really comfortable, really well themed. Sam's already said he's going up the top. So over here you've got one of the decorative Lego pieces and a safe, where of course when you arrive you do the little puzzle sheet and open that up and there's goodies inside. Some Lego to play with there. And then we've got a little drinks area, kettle, all of your supplies, some decent sized storage here. There's an iron. Plenty of space to put bags and stuff down there. There's his little in-room quiz that he did. And then on to the next bit, you get your ironing board. Looks like a spare pillow. Is that a crib actually? Yeah, that's like a travel cot. Loads of hanging space, somewhere to put your shoes. And then really well-themed bathroom. We thought that there were only showers here, but turns out they have got tubs. So just in case you were wondering, there's a tub and one of those rainforest shower heads as well as the regular ones. As I say, really well themed and nicely done. Could do without that, but there you go. Love the mirror, that's awesome. A few little toiletries just to get you started, some shampoo and a soap, just in case you forgot the essentials. Plenty of clean towels. And so into the main bedroom, which we've got the great big pirate themed bed there. Skull and crossbones above the bed. Little bedside tables. On that side you just get lights to control the lamp. But on the other side, which is my side, you've got a plug. Over here is a little unit with a hairdryer, and then you've got a decent sized fridge which has got a few snacks in there. Oops. Nice chair for sitting and doing any work you might want to do. Let's move some of this stuff. More skull and crossbones. More plugs. Really cool themed lamp. And what was really cute is it's Sam's birthday, so we let Legoland know, and there's this lovely card waiting for him when we got to the room. They also got him a balloon, but it's carrying that round with him because he loves balloons. So this is our theme park view. So what you can see ahead there is Mythica. So you can see the hydro ride, Fire and Ice, I think you can see Maximus. So that's pretty cool, really. And I think in the morning we'll be able to come out and we'll walk straight up there, straight into the park, and get straight on Flight of the Sky Lion. No waiting necessary. We've got a little table here, themed of course. There's a barrel. Oh no, there's his balloon. He didn't take it with him after all. Nice chair. Love this headboard. More cool Lego stuff and a butterfly there. Some cool artwork. Decent sized TV. More Lego. Decent sized full length mirror as well. Love the carpet, love the theming. And then I walk back down here. Bathroom. The only thing I would say that would be really handy is if there was, let's zoom out a little, a curtain to just sort of divide off that area so that when Sam goes to bed tonight, we can keep the lights on, really. Lights are controlled by having your key card in. Let's have a look out into the corridor. Oh, just noticed this. That's really cute. Oh, and more Lego. Little beetle. Is there any more Lego over there? No, but you've got some more PowerPoints, so plenty of those going on. I love this little unit thing there. That's cool. And I love him. We shall call him Paul. So just a quick look at what you get in the safe once you've completed the in-room puzzle. There's this cool little drawstring bag. Feels like it could be waterproof, but don't quote me on that. You get a couple of lanyards. There's a cool blue one and a yellow one. Then a couple of pop badges, which are really cute. And then of course you get a bag of Lego. It's like a tropical birdie parrot guy. So Sam will look forward to building that later. Keep your little ones busy for a while. That's not bad to say it's a free gift. This is the view just sitting on the bed. But what I wanted to illustrate is the fact that the window is open and I cannot hear the theme park. And it's definitely open, the rides are definitely going. And it's so quiet with the window open, so it's not noisy here. Got the wooden plank theming going across the top and a little rope feature up there on the windows. All very piratical, of course. Fantastic room, we're so pleased with it.